Hello lads, how's it going? Today I want to discuss with you such thing as graph digitizing. So what is that? You may be familiar with scientific investigations and the major role of processing the results of other researchers. Sometimes you can find data represented as a picture, graph, diagram, etc. So you need to spend plenty of time trying to convert those pictures in numbers to be able to manipulate them in your own research. That's when a graph digitizing software comes to help. Now we will try to digitize the picture using a free online tool called WebPlotDigitizer, made by talented scientist Ankit Rohatji. Step 1. Make a print screen of the page with graph. Step 2. Insert the picture in Paint, select the graph and copy it in new Paint project and save as PNG in a desirable place. Step 3. Get to the main page of WebPlotDigitizer. The link you will find in the description to this video. Select web application language, for example English, and press Launch Now. You can see Start page with an example of graph. Step 4. Go to the file and press Load Image. Select the picture you wish. Choose the plot type. We have here a 2D plot. Step 5. Press Align Axis and you will see tutorial picture about how to properly select the marking points on graph. First 2 points are corresponded to horizontal axis and last 2 points represent vertical axis. Press Proceed, check necessary 4 points and after you finish press Complete. Step 6. Enter the values of every marking point in the corresponding fields. We haven't a logarithmic scale, so you don't need to check log scale boxes. You can observe that your graph has been imported successfully. Step 7. In the automatic extraction area, choose Color, foreground color, and press the colorful square. In the opened window, press the color picker. Point the cursor on the part of graph which represents the data you need to digitize and click on it. See, the color has been adjusted automatically. Press Done. Step 8. In the area Algorithm, press Run button. You can observe that little red dots have appeared. That means graph has been digitized. In our example, you can see that too many points have been digitized. Try to change the value in field distance from 120 to 30 for example. See, significantly less unnecessary points have appeared. Step 9. If you see some points make no sense, then delete them. In the area Manual Extraction, press Delete Point. Set the cursor in the area close to the red point you need to dispose and click several times. Upon every point that you don't need will be deleted. Step 10 is not necessary, but you can save the project for further usage. Click File, Save Project. Choose to download in .tar, so both the data and picture will be saved. Step 11. In the field Dataset, open View Data. You can observe data obtained by digitizing. Click Open in Plotly. Here you have both graph and table which are representing digitized graph. Click X column and press Ctrl+C. Open Excel file and press Ctrl+V. The abscissa data has been copied. Then do the same with Y column, which is representing of ordinate axis. So you have both coordinates for each point of digitized graph in Excel file. That's all. Hope these simple steps will help you to quickly and precisely extract data from pictured graphs from the articles of other researchers. Wish you all the good luck. Till next time.